all, Renee here. I am here today to put together the pumpkin spice card making workshop. This kit comes with everything you need to make 16 cards, 4 of each design. Only thing you need to add in is your adhesive and your ink. The inks that it calls for are shortbread, harbor, paprika, and papaya. So 3 of our brand new colors and then 1 returning color. So I've already cut out all of my pieces, done all of my stamping. So I'm going to go ahead and put that all together and show you the finished cards at the end. Something else that you get with this kit is some rose gold shimmer trim, so really pretty shimmer trim. It also comes with an exclusive stamp set and a die set, and this time the die is humongous. This die right here makes this really neat banner. So I went ahead and did all of that die cutting. You do have to die cut this with 2 passes if you have just a regular die cutting, platform. If you have the extended platform, you can do it in 1 swipe. But otherwise, you just need to use a little bit of washi tape to hold it in place, run it through, and then push it and run it through again, and then you'll get the whole thing cut. It was really easy, and you can cut 2 at a time, so that makes it even faster. So I'm going to go ahead, put some music on. I'll speed up my process, and then I'll be back at the end to show you the final versions of the cards. I hope you enjoy. Well, these turned out great. These were really fun to make, and I love this banner that you end up with from the die. So I'll give you a quick look at this one. And I had to go a little bit out of my comfort zone because these were all wonky, and I don't always feel good about wonky stuff, but I think it turned out really nice, and I love just the shine that you get from the shimmer trim. That looks really nice. Then the next one, this one here. And I always get really nervous when I stamp right on a card base, but it turned out great. And even this was easy to line up. This is one of those, if you've watched me for any length of time, you know I hate these kind of things where you have to line them up, but it lined up really easy. so easy, in fact, that I actually did this one. This was done in 3 different colors of ink to carry that theme across. And I just noticed I'd missed a. This is what it's supposed to have 2 of those. I only have 1 on that one. That's so funny. But this turned out really cute too. I love the idea of stamping on pattern paper. I think it really adds a lot, and I like how that turned out. And making these 2 little banners really wasn't that hard. I thought it was going to be difficult because of it being, you know, the sticker, or the tape, but it was actually pretty easy. So those ones. And then these ones, I kind of struggled with this. I did the shimmer trim 3 different ways. So this was the first one. I think this looks the best, but this was the hardest to do, where you would hear it underneath. If you knew exactly where this was going to go and you can measure it out, it would probably be easier. But I love how all of these kind of cover everything. And that's something I learned as I went along, is you only need to make sure this edge is straight, or is, you know, lined up on this one. Over here, you cover that edge with that little leaf. So I spent way too much time worried about it. This one, I put this on top, but you can kind of see, I don't know if you can see on the camera, you can see a little ledge. And I think that's my least favorite way. This was probably my favorite way of doing it, not because I like the look the best, I like the look of the first one the best, but because this was the easiest and I didn't have to struggle with it. And I also knew that I was getting this, it was the same amount all the way top to bottom. Whereas when I did it with this one, I was really concerned that one side would be up higher than the other and it wouldn't be the same. But overall, I think these turned out really good. I really love, I think this die is one of my favorites. I'm going to see if I have some other sentiments that'll fit in this, because I really think that would be really fun to do some more like that. Sorry about that. So that's everything for the pumpkin spice card making workshop. If you have any questions, just leave those down below. I'd be happy to get back with you. If you're not already a subscriber, I would love it if you just hit that little red button and hit subscribe. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. That would be wonderful. I'd really appreciate it. And I hope you're all having a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.